Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is Godot Day 4. Today we are starting something very fun. We are going to make a snake game just like the old keypad phone games. In today's video, we'll do only one thing. We'll make our snake move and stop at the boundary. First, I'll create a 2D scene and name it men because this will control our whole game. Let's name it men. Now, inside main, I'll create a node 2D and name it snake. Let's create it. Node 2D. I'll name it snake. Rename. Inside snake, I'll add a color rect and naming it head. Color rect will be adding it. I'll name it head. Rename. This is the snake and I'll change its color to green. For green, we have the hexa code. Let's paste it here into. You can see we have the square right now. Let's change the size. Let's go to the transform 32, 32. Here is the square. This is the snake head. Now I'll add one more color and I'll be naming it to border. Border. Here we have this. Let's change the color of the border. Let's go to inspector, paste the hexa code, enter. This is black right now. I'll change its size to 640 by 640. Let's do it. Transform 640, 640 by 640. Basically, it's the x axis and y axis. Done. Basically, this will be the playground for our snake. Now I'll attach a script to the main node because main is the brain of the game. Let's attach the script to write our first code with GDScript. Attach it. Sorry. Attach script. Keep it like this only. Keep this extents and delete everything. Rest. We'll define some variables right now. Const. We'll take a tile size. Tile size. Let's take it to 32. Then we'll be taking direction. Var direction. We'll take it right. Vector 2. dot right. Let's take the move timer. Var move timer 0.0 and move delay var move delay 0.2. Create a function. Func process function process delta function. Let's define a function handle input move timer move timer is plus equals to delta. Delta if move timer is greater than equals to move delay, then here we'll set a timer to 0. 0 0. We'll declare another function for snake to move. Here is a syntax error. Delay. Remember one thing, GDScript takes tab, not space. So this is this function runs again and again. We don't move the snake every frame. We move it only after a small delay, just like the classic snake game. Let's declare this handle input. We have declared, but let's write the code for this function handle input. Handle input. We have this function if input dot is action pressed. If this is up, UI is up, then also if direction is not equals to vector 2 dot down, it means if direction is not equal to down also, is not equals to, sorry, not equals to vector 2 dot down, then direction equals to vector 2 dot up. Then elif input dot is action pressed. It's is action pressed, not just pressed. If it's down, UI down, and direction is not equals to vector 2 dot up. It means if direction is not up, then direction will be down. Direction equals to vector 2 dot down. Elif input dot is pressed. Sorry, is action pressed. UI left, UI left, and and direction is not equals to vector 2 dot right. Then direction will be left. Dot left elif. Input dot is action pressed. UI right and direction is not sorry is not equals to vector 2 dot left. Left, then direction will be right. Vector 2 dot right. Let's see it once more. Up, down, left, right. It's fine. Here we are using the arrow keys. The snake cannot go backwards because that would break the game. Let's write the code for the move snake function. So func move snake snake. What we have here? Where position next position equals to dollar snake or head. These are this dot position plus plus direction into tile size. If next position dot x less than 0, or next position dot y, dot y is less than 0, or next position dot x is greater than equals to 640. That was the background size we have taken, this border 640 640. Let's give it a space. Or next position dot y is greater than equals to 640. 640. We'll call a function named game over. We'll return it. Return. Oh, sorry, we have this colon here. That's the issue. I think you people also must be facing this issue which I am facing right now. Let's try something. Control I. It corrects the indentation. If it's fine right now. Now we'll go for this game over. Before moving the snake, we first check the next position. If the snake is trying to go outside the boundary, we stop the game. Now, the boundary is not just a drawing, it is a real wall. Let's write the code for function game over. Func game over will print something to see it's working properly or not. Game over. Get free dot reload current scene. For now, when the snake hits the wall, We simply restart the game. Later, we can add a score and a game over screen. Here, I'll add one more colorect to main and we'll name it apple. Colorect will add it, create, and we'll be naming it to apple. This is the fruit. In the future, the snake is going to eat this. Apple, let's change its color. Red. The hexacode, enter. And size will be transform. Size will be 32 32 as per the snake size, snake head. It will be same. 32. Done. Right now, the apple will just stay here. We are not using that right now. I forgot one thing here. To move the snake, we need to write the one line code. Dollar snake or head dot position equals to next position. Fine. Here I have done some important scene setup for border. See, for border, I have given the position 00, size 640, 640, and the Z index -1. And for head, I have given the size to 32 32, and the position is also 32 32. And for apple, I have I have size 32 32, position 128 128, and the scale is 1. That's it. Let's run our code. See, it is working fine. Left, right, up, down. It's working fine. Right now, the snake can move. The snake stops at the boundary. The apple is just sitting there. What we learned today? In today's video, we learn how to start a game from scratch, how to create a clean node structure, how to use Colrect for pixel games, how grid based movement works, how to control speed with a timer, how to stop the snake at the boundary. So, this was Godot Day 4. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.